कलावड़ी बड़ी है ना, माइक तो चालू कर दिया। मैडम ना फोन આવી ગયો, પરીક્ષા હાઉ સ્લો છે। વાત ન થઈ આજે તો શું કરું, એટલે તો કાલ થાય ના 10 દિવસ હું ન મળે 10
What is he, Donnie? મમ્મી આ કામ શું કહેવાય? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 3, and now 7, and 1 extra.
ધ્યાન દેવું બધું।
Namaskar everyone. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to our today's English session. How are you all? Are you all ready for today's session? Let us start our today's session with a prayer. All of you join your hands, close your eyes. Adidev Namastubhyam Praseed Mama Bhasara Divakara Namastubhyam Prabhakara Namostute. Rub your palms, touch your eyes. Now slowly all of you open your eyes. You all feel fresh now. Now first of all let me know that am I audible to everyone? सबको मेरी आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है आज? Okay, so let us start our session. Yesterday, which topic we learnt in English? Which topic we have started in English? What we learnt? कल हमने कौन सा टॉपिक सीखा इंग्लिश में? What we learnt? Yes, double E. Very good. Double E, long sound. Good. Yes, E family phonogram started. In that we have studied double E, long sound. Very good. So today also we are going to revise of double E sound words from our Zoom Phonics textbook. So all of you please take out your Zoom Phonics textbook, and in that book you will have to open page number 61. So be ready with your book. Open to page number 61 of your Zoom Phonics textbook and note it down, CW, today's date and day in that page. Let me show you my book first of all. Okay, so this is the page, that is page number 61 of your Zoom Phonics textbook. Please mention CW, today's date, that is 3rd of September 2021, 3rd day of September month, and the year is 2021, and day is Friday. Day is Friday. Please everyone mention this much on the page of 61. Done everyone? Should I start? Sorry. Have you all mentioned CW, today's date and day in this page of page number 61? Okay, let me start now. Here in this page of page number 61, you have given sentences having double E long sound words. Let us go through it. Let us read some more double E words. Let us read some more double E words. Now look at this first picture. For the first sentence, the seed is in the pot. Now if you see this pot, there is a seed inside in it, है ना? Seed कहाँ पे है? Pot के अंदर है और वहाँ से एक baby plant grow हुआ है ना? So where is the seed? The seed is in the pot. Seed जो है वो pot के अंदर है. कहाँ है? In the pot. So in this sentence, the word seed has double E long sound. Now look at this fourth picture once again. What is there in it? That is the weed. है ना? Crack हुआ है यहाँ से. If you see this. So there is a weed in the pot. There is a weed in the pot. मतलब ये pot में जो है वो weed है, बड़ा सा crack है. Now look at this picture for the next sentence. The tree is green. The tree is green. The tree is green. Now why tree looks like green in color? Tree क्यों green color के होते हैं? किसकी वजह से वो green color दिखते हैं? गुड. सिर्फ एक को ही पता है कि ट्री ग्रीन क्यों दिखते हैं? गुड. बिकॉज द ट्रीज हैज लीव्स इन इट. है ना? उसमें लीव्स होते हैं जो ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं, इसीलिए वो हमें ग्रीन दिखते हैं. यस. सो द ट्री इज ग्रीन. So in this sentence, the word tree and green has double E long sound. Along with that, we have tr blend sound in the word tree and gr blend sound in the word green. Tr and gr. Tr e tree, gr e green. Yes. Now let us go to the next sentence. I am keen to see it when I am free. I am keen मतलब happy. To see. To see मतलब देखना. क्या देखना? कुछ भी, whatever it मतलब कोई भी thing हम consider कर सकते हैं. जैसे आप लोगों को टीवी देखना पसंद है, कार्टून देखना पसंद है. So I am happy, I am pleased to see it when I am free. जब मैं फ्री हूँ तब मुझे टीवी में कार्टून देखना अच्छा लगता है. इसका मतलब है आप कुछ भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो. So in this sentence, the words keen, see and free has double E long sound. And when you see this last word free, it has fra blend sound also. Fra, e, free. Now look at this picture on the tree. The queen bee is on the tree. Where is that queen bee? She is on the tree. Queen मतलब रानी, है ना? ये बी जो है वो रानी है सारे बीज की, और वो कहाँ पे है? On the tree मतलब ट्री के ऊपर. The queen, I said you yesterday also, I told you that if you see anywhere Q and U together, it gives a square sound. It sounds square. So queen, queen, bee is on the tree. Tree. The word tree has tr blend sound in this sentence. Now look at this picture, the girl's picture. The teeth are inside the cheek. What this picture shows? That our teeth are inside the cheek. हमारे teeth कहाँ होते हैं? cheek के अंदर. Inside मतलब अंदर. So the teeth are inside the cheek. Now look at this next sentence. I will meet her when I am free. मतलब हर मतलब यहाँ पे हम हमारे फ्रेंड को कंसिडर करेंगे. तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिलूंगी. मीट मतलब मिलना. मीट करूंगी जब मैं फ्री होंगी. when I am free. Now next, look at this last picture. I need to sleep. Or this boy is telling, even I also say when I get tired, I need to sleep. मतलब मुझे सोना है. मुझे सोने की जरूरत है. Need मतलब जरूरत. I need to sleep. So in this sentence, the word need and sleep has double E, long sound. Along with that, slur blend is there in the word sleep. So slur E for sleep. Now let us go through all this sentence once again quickly. हम एक बार और सारे sentences को first read करेंगे. The seed is in the pot. There is a weed in the pot. The tree is green. I am keen to see it when I am free. The queen bee is on the tree. The teeth are inside the cheese. I will meet her when I am free. I need to sleep. Okay? So, the same you have to read the sentence in your homework portion also. Now we will move on to our next classwork portion, which is in your worksheet. All of you please close this Zoom Phonics textbook and take out your English worksheet. This worksheet you have to take out for our next classwork, and you will have to open page number 18 of your worksheet. This page number 18 you will have to take out for our today's another classwork. And also you will have to mention here CW, today's date and day. Today's date is 3rd of September 2021 and date is Friday. This much you have to mention here first in this page of page number 18. Am I audible to everyone clearly? सबको मेरी आवाज अच्छे से अब आ रही है? Thank you everyone. All of you be ready with this much. After when you finish this much, please let me know everyone. Please start with done ma'am, so that I can come to know and I will start my next class for portion. Should I start now? Okay. Now let us start. Let us first read the given heading. B, 3, 3 and 3. Double E is a part of the phonogram family. Double E is a part of the phonogram family. Now if you see this word phonogram, it has digraph and gr blend sound in the middle of the word phonogram. So I have told you the family, phonogram family is big, है ना. उसकी जो family है वो बहुत बड़ी है, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि कैसे अलग अलग दो बबल जब हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो कैसे हमें वो अलग अलग साउंड देंगे. In that we have already finished a one vowel family, that is a vowel family. We have finished. हमने देखा उसमें कि कैसे a vowel के साथ अलग अलग हमने vowel को ज्वाइन किया तो हमें किस तरह से साउंड मिला. तो अब हमने कल से ई फैमिली फोनोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि कैसे ई ववल के साथ अलग अलग ववल जब ज्वाइन होंगे कैसे वो हमें अलग अलग साउंड देंगे. ओके, तो डबल ई द पार्ट ऑफ फोनोग्राम फैमिली. इसमें डबल ई जो है वो एक पार्ट है फोनोग्राम फैमिली का. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सी द पिक्चर. पिक्चर को देखना है, से ने उसका नेम को स्पेल करना है एंड जो करेक्ट पे हर पिक्चर की ऑप्शन दिया है. गिवन द सी ऑप्शन फॉर ईच पिक्चर. यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग फॉर द पिक्चर. वो इनके नीचे जो सर्कल दिया है उसमें आपको कलर करना है. Okay, is that clear? So let us start and be ready with any of your choice color crayon. कोई भी एक आपके चॉइस के कलर का क्रेयॉन आप लोग रखना. कोई भी एक कलर रखना, it will look good. अगर आप अलग अलग करना चाहते हो वो गलत नहीं है, पर अगर कोई एक कलर से करोगे the work will look neat. Okay, so let us start our work now. Now identify the first picture given here. Which picture is this? Good. This is a picture of a seed. Now we will read all the words first and then we will color the circle of our correct option word. Okay, the first is deer. The first word is deer, that we can spell as deer also. It is the name of a wild animal which lives in the jungle. Deer, hiran, I have told you yesterday. We can spell as deer and deer. Both are correct. But as because we are learning double E long sound, so let us consider it as deer. Next is seed. Last one is tree. Now which is the correct option for this given picture seed? The middle one. Yes? So what will you do? You will color the circle given below the word seed for the given picture seed. Like this. Okay, the next is sleep. अच्छा, आपके इसमें बेटा शीप दिया है, और आप देख सकते हो मेरी बुक में यहाँ पे सीड का पिक्चर दिया है। ओके, अगर आप लोगों में शीप दिया है तो ऑप्शन में है शीप का स्पेलिंग, यू हैव दैट करेक्ट ऑप्शन। यस, okay, then you can choose the correct option, you can color the circle. अगर सीड है तो सीड के ऑप्शन में आप लोग कलर करना सर्कल में, अगर शीप है तो शीप वाले ऑप्शन में आप लोग सर्कल करना, जो भी आपके बुक में है सही स्पेलिंग देख के करना। Okay, so let us move on to the next picture, which is the next picture given here, sleep. Yes, this boy is sleeping. See, sleep. Now we will first read all the words. Sleep, sleep. See. Be. So which is the correct option for this given picture, sleep? The first one. So let us color the circle given below the word sleep for the given picture, sleep. Sleep. Yes, love blend is also there along with the double E sound. है ना, पहले हमने स्लव ब्लेंड साउंड में ये सीखा था कि स्लीप वर्ड में स्लव ब्लेंड साउंड आता है। अब हमने ये भी जाना कि स्लव ब्लेंड के साथ उसमें डबल ई लॉन्ग साउंड भी आता है। Now identify the next feature here. Which is the next feature given here? जो next feature दिया है, yes, peep. This boy is sitting out behind the wall. है ना, ये बॉय जो है वो वॉल के पीछे अपने आप को हिड किया है और वहां से वो पीप कर रहा है। मैंने कल भी बोला था, अगर कोई अपने आप को छुपा लेता है किसी चीज के पीछे और वहां से अगर कोई झांक रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पीप। सो लेट अस रीड ऑल द वर्ड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। कीप, कीप, पीप, need, need. Okay, so which is the correct option for this picture, peep? The middle one, yes. So let us color the circle given below the word peep. है ना, peep के नीचे जो सर्कल दिया है उसमें हमको कलर करना है। Done? Now look at this next picture. Which picture is this? Eel. Yes? Eel. This is a picture of an eel. So let us first read all the words. Eel. Tree. So which is the correct option for this given picture, eel? The last option, yes. So we will color the circle given below the word eel. Done? Which picture is this now? I want this picture's name from you all, first of all. नहीं, मुझे कलर नहीं चाहिए. What is this a picture of, first of all? We already have learnt this blob. हाँ, देख लिया ना वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ. मैंने भी इरेज नहीं किया, भूल गई मैं. So this is a picture of a blob. But the blob is which color? Is of which color? It is in green color. Yes? So this picture is considered as green blob. This we have already learnt in blurb blend sound that this is called blob. Yes. Now let us read all the given words first of all here. Green, meal, the weed. Now which is the correct option for this green blob? The first one. Yes. So let us color the circle given below the word green. Now identify this last picture. Very good. Let us first read all the words. Green, eat, the need. So, which one is the correct option? Middle one. Yes? So, let us color this circle given below the word eat. Yes? So here we have finished our second class of portion, writing portion in our worksheet of page number 18. Now the right next page of page number 18 is page number 19, which you have to do in your homework portion. ये आप लोगों को homework में करना है. Now what you have to do in this page, you have given here 4 pictures in each row. हर एक रो में आपको 4 पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको उन पिक्चर्स के नाम स्पेल करने हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करना है पिक्चर को, और जिस पिक्चर के नेम में डबल ई लॉन्ग साउंड आता है उस पिक्चर को आपको सर्कल करना है. दिस विल बी फॉर योर होमवर्क पोर्शन. अलॉन्ग विद दिस, इसके साथ आपको ये जो फोनिक्स में हमने सेंटेंसेस रीड किया आज 1 पेज नंबर में, ये भी आपको करना है. ये रीडिंग के साथ आपको वो पेज नंबर 19 होमवर्क में करना है. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? नाउ किसी को भी साउंड में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कोई भी फोनोग्राम फैमिली में, वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न ए फैमिली फोनोग्राम वर्ड्स इन दैट. You people have faced any problem regarding sound, and right now we have started E family phonogram. For this also, if you are facing any problem, please let me know. अगर आपको कोई साउंड में दिक्कत आ रही है बच्चों को रीड करने में या आइडेंटिफाई करने में, स्पेल करने में, तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. डन? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Oh, I'm shocked. No replies. So everyone is understood about this phonogram family words. Good. So let us end this today's session of English. We will meet in the next session tomorrow with the same time. Until then, everyone stay home, stay safe, do take care of yourself. Bye-bye, namaskar.